Right guys, so it's been some time. I have received this Gigabyte Gaming OC 4090 GPU back through courier. So I think it's important that we open it once to check if the seals are intact and if there is any issue with the product or product packaging, because it's making some sounds. Some strange sounds are coming, like the inside box is tampered or something. So as per the process, I am unboxing it. I wanted the buyer to take the GPU back because this is a non-returnable product. He violated the policy of Amazon, but unfortunately he hasn't responded back to us, so we'll have to probably pursue this incident legally. Oh god, I do see the seal tampered here. Yeah, it's completely tampered. The seal is completely tampered. Oh my god. Shit. What's inside? This is completely tampered. From outside it was not looking like a tampered thing. But inside, at least this side, it is definitely tampered. It's void here. So the product value is definitely gone. I don't know what's inside. So let me try to open it. It's coming back from Orissa. See what's inside. Thank goodness. Looks like the GPU isn't intact. Thank goodness. This is the DVD. Bracket, probably this was making sound. Some screws. This is the 4 8-pin PCI to this one is sealed back. I think this was making sound. What's this? Let's see what's up with the GPU. This one looks to be sealed. Oh god, it just got broken from too much of hurry. Let me fold these here. This one as well. Fold it here. Checking the GPU for any tampering. It says Goes RTX. Capturing the serial number, etc., because it doesn't say that it's a GTX 4090 or something. This entire GPU is covered by plastic, which is good. So you get one HDMI and 3 DP 1.4A, only 1.4A. For some reason Nvidia is not using DP 2.0 to utilize high frame rate gaming in 4K or 8K. So this is the GPU. This is the pin connector, confirming that this is 3090. This is from Nvidia. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.